Let's begin day 33 with a comprehensive welcome and roadmap. The Internet of Things, IoT architecture, is about connecting vast numbers of physical devices, sensors, actuators, cameras, industrial machines, wearables, to digital systems, often at massive scale. We'll break it down into core layers: the devices themselves, the edge layer for local processing, the cloud backend, and the application layer that delivers value to users. Today, we place special emphasis on edge computing, which moves intelligence closer to the devices to reduce latency, save bandwidth, and enable real time decisions, even with intermittent connectivity. We'll also cover the full device management lifecycle: provisioning, secure onboarding, over the air updates, monitoring, and secure decommissioning. These concepts integrate with Day 20's cloud native technologies, Day 9's event driven patterns for telemetry, and Day 17's reliability engineering for resilient device fleets.
IoT is where the physical and digital worlds collide. Getting the architecture right is what separates successful deployments from expensive failures.
Here's the expanded roadmap for today. We'll start with a standard IoT reference architecture that layers devices, edge gateways or nodes, cloud backend, and end user applications. Edge computing is highlighted as the critical layer that processes data locally, filtering, aggregating, or making decisions before sending only essential information to the cloud, dramatically reducing latency and bandwidth usage while improving privacy and offline resilience. Device management covers the entire lifecycle: secure provisioning and onboarding, firmware and software updates, real time monitoring and diagnostics, and safety commissioning or reprovisioning. We'll discuss major challenges, including massive scale, millions of devices, security in resource constrained environments, device heterogeneity, and intermittent connectivity. These tie back to Day 20's cloud native technologies for backend scaling, Day 9's event driven patterns for telemetry streaming, and Day 13's security principles applied to constrained devices. IoT architecture deep dive. The device layer consists of sensors and actuators, often using protocols like MQTT or HTTP. The edge layer processes data locally to reduce cloud traffic. The cloud layer provides global storage, processing, and device shadows. Communication is bidirectional. Telemetry flows up, while commands and updates flow down. This hierarchy allows for massive scalability and real time responsiveness. Edge computing fundamentals. Instead of sending all raw data to the cloud, we move computation closer to the data source. Key benefits include dramatically lower latency for real time decisions, reduced bandwidth and cloud costs, continued operation during network outages, and improved privacy by processing sensitive data locally. Typical edge devices range from lightweight gateways to powerful industrial PCs and smart cameras with onboard GPUs. Common workloads include data filtering and aggregation, simple rule based decisions, and lightweight machine learning inference. Device management lifecycle is critical for large scale IoT. Provisioning involves secure onboarding, certificate issuance, and establishing device identity. Configuration and updates use over the air OTA mechanisms for firmware and software patches. Monitoring and diagnostics collect telemetry, perform health checks, and enable remote troubleshooting. Decommissioning ensures secure data wipe and removal from registries to prevent ghost devices.
Edge computing patterns. Filter and aggregate raw sensor data at the edge to send only meaningful summaries to the cloud. Perform local decision-making and immediate actuation. For example, shut off a machine when temperature exceeds threshold. Run lightweight ML models at the edge for real-time anomaly detection. Use hybrid workflows where edge handles urgent actions and cloud performs heavy analytics. Device management platforms. Major cloud providers offer managed solutions: AWS IoT Core, Azure IoT Hub, Google Cloud IoT Core. Open source alternatives include Eclipse Ditto and Thingsboard. Common features include device registry, over-the-air updates, and digital twins. Shadow state for desired versus reported configuration. Security is enforced through certificate-based authentication and strong device isolation. IoT communication protocols. MQTT is the de facto standard for lightweight publish, share, subscribe on constrained devices with low bandwidth. CoAP offers a REST-like model optimized for low-power lossy networks. AMQP provides reliable enterprise-grade messaging. HTTP/HTTPS is used when devices have sufficient resources and full web stack support. Security in IoT architecture. Establish strong device identity using certificates or hardware-backed keys. Implement secure boot and signed firmware updates to prevent tampering. Encrypt data both in transit and at rest per day, 14 principles. Apply least privilege and network segmentation to limit blast radius if a device is compromised. Edge versus cloud trade-offs. Edge computing offers low latency, offline capability, better privacy, and reduced bandwidth costs. Cloud provides virtually unlimited heavy computation, long-term storage, and global analytics and ML. The optimal solution is usually hybrid. Process urgent actions at the edge and send summarized data to the cloud for deeper insights. Decision criteria include latency tolerance, available bandwidth, and required compute power.
Device management best practices. Implement zero-touch provisioning to scale onboarding of thousands of devices. Use automated over-the-air updates with safe rollback mechanisms. Provide a centralized management dashboard with real-time alerts and diagnostics. Define a secure decommissioning process that wipes sensitive data and removes devices from registries. IoT architecture in cloud native, run containers with Docker on edge gateways per day 20. Use lightweight Kubernetes distributions like K3s or micro K8s for edge orchestration. Process non-real-time workloads with serverless functions from day 10. Stream telemetry using event-driven patterns from day 9. Scalability in IoT. Apply horizontal scaling at the cloud layer per day 16. Use edge federation to coordinate multiple edge clusters, shard devices by region, type, or customer for manageability. Partition telemetry data using time series databases optimized for high ingest rates. Scalability in IoT. Apply horizontal scaling at the cloud layer per day 16. Use edge federation to coordinate multiple edge clusters, shard devices by region, type, or customer for manageability. Partition telemetry data using time series databases optimized for high ingest rates. Common IoT architecture pitfalls. Sending all raw sensor data to the cloud wastes bandwidth and incurs high costs. Insufficient edge processing leads to unacceptable latency for real-time use cases. Poor device management results in update failures and security vulnerabilities at scale. Inadequate security creates an enormous attack surface across millions of devices.
Edge computing advanced patterns, federated learning trains, ML models across edge devices while keeping data local. Digital twins provide virtual representations for simulation and monitoring. Edge analytics enable real-time anomaly detection without cloud round trips. Multi-access edge computing, MEC, brings cloud capabilities to telco networks for ultra-low latency. Device management advanced. Implement zero-trust onboarding with strong cryptographic identity. Automate compliance checking against security policies. Use telemetry for predictive maintenance models. Design fleet-wide rollback capabilities for safe recovery from bad updates. IoT architecture best practices. Always start with clear use cases and actual data requirements. Design every component assuming intermittent or unreliable connectivity. Plan for massive scale and device heterogeneity from the very beginning. Make security and privacy foundational rather than afterthoughts.
Recapping, day 33, we covered IoT architecture layers with special focus on edge computing for low latency processing.
Explored device management lifecycle, protocols, security, scalability, and best practices. The key takeaway: successful IoT architectures combine edge intelligence for real-time decisions, with robust device management and cloud backend for deep analytics and storage. Day 34 covers big data architecture, integrating tools like Hadoop and Spark.
Homework. Sketch a high-level IoT architecture for a concrete use case, highlighting edge computing and device management decisions. Questions from today? Drop them in the comments. Irene and I will reply. Thanks so much for joining us. If this helped, give it a like, share with your network, and subscribe for the full series.